Lubbock ISD schools will be open on Monday. Congressman Jody Arrington was at Coronado High School today, visiting with school officials to talk about their reopening plans. And KMAC's Amy Kazera is there tonight to talk about what was discussed today. Amy?
Brian, over 70% of students will be attending school in person next week. And everyone's biggest concern, combating coronavirus. Coronado High School officials held a roundtable discussion with Rep. Arrington today to discuss how they plan to keep students and staff safe.
People will get sick, but there are protocols for that. If we have a zero tolerance for folks getting sick or just contracting this disease, then we will devastate families and communities like Lubbock wholesale across the country. It's about managing those risks in a responsible way.
It's been months since the coronavirus completely changed the landscape of education. And as schools prepare to reopen on Monday, LISD officials say they are ready.
You'll see fewer students in the hallways. We're staggering some passing periods. You'll see less furniture in the classroom, extra furniture. You'll see desks spread out further apart. You'll see students who are also helping us with cleaning their space.
Arrington talking through reopening plans with LISD. He says the key to having an effective protocol, less federal government involvement.
I think it's more appropriate that the community of Lubbock, places throughout my district, that they have the deference and flexibility, working with parents and other citizens to determine the best and safest way to reopen and manage the many risks and challenges, not just the immediate health and safety.
Coronado High School will have QR codes throughout the building that students will scan so they can implement contact tracing.
We will notify everyone in the building if there is a positive case, but you will be notified that it is a low risk unless you get a further phone call, and that happens after we do our contact tracing and determine who is in close contact with that person. Then we will notify those families individually if they need to quarantine.
At the end of the meeting, Rep. Arrington was able to tour the high school to see some of the precautions they have in place. And while LISD has several COVID-19 protocols, they say that they are prepared to make changes as necessary due to the uncertainty of the virus. Reporting at Coronado High School, I'm Amy Kazera, KMAC News.